traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1541st edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Good day, traders. This video coming to you on a calm Saturday morning. That would be for November 5th, 2016, but the video is likely going to help you for trading on Sunday night through Monday, taking us out to the 7th. So that's where you'll probably use the information on this video, when markets open up Sunday night at 6 p.m. through Monday. Traders, as you know, futures trading is extremely risky. There's no question about that. It is extremely risky, causes substantial financial loss. You have to know what you're doing. This is not suitable for everybody. You've got to place stops. You've got to place them first. There are rumors out there that stops don't always work, but you know what? I have noticed in my career since we've gone electronic, I have not seen anybody not get stopped out on a stop that they placed. So don't let the rumors to deter you from placing your stops. Put them in. They're the only things that save you when the markets go crazy. And boy, have they been going crazy. So heed the warning. Traders, we're starting off once again Sunday night into Monday with a red Omni. We will see where it's going to go. It looks like it wants to continue lower. Let's look at some reasoning. The Hillder-Beast formation continues paying dividends. Can you imagine this Hillder-Beast? How perfect has this been? It started right around the time Hillary started getting in trouble, and bam! Whether it's the Hillder-Beast or not, whether it's her making it happen or not, it's kind of fun to use it, right? So we'll use it until after the election. 9 days down in a row in emini S&P. That is so not usual. I am telling you, that is just not usual. 3 days down is not usual. 9 days down is really out of control. So we've got something going on there. We'll look at those charts. Crude, in the mood or what? Did I tell you guys that was coming down? What a fantastic call it has been to be short crude when we can get it. And gold is still bid right now, and we'll see where it wants to go. I'll show you the charts there. Traders, these are basically the same markets I've been showing you in video after video. We've been staying focused in these markets. And how about the Omni's calls for these last 3 weeks? I mean, if you haven't witnessed it, you really should, because I don't think I've ever seen anything like this. The Omni is just killing these markets. Now, will it always do that? Don't you wish, right? Don't you wish we had the Holy Grail? But boy, is it running now. And while it's running well, you should be running with it. It's like a gazelle. You might as well join the pack. You know what I'm saying? So come on down. Join the herd. We'll see you at livewithoscar.com. With no further ado, let's go look at some charts. Okay, traders, the Dow Jones Industrial Average has the Hillder-Beast formation. How cool is this? It started right around Hillary's trouble time, turned into two flags. We decided we'll call it the Hillder-Beast, and look at it paying dividends. I mean, oh my goodness. And in all honesty, you see that this is just turning into an F flag, right? So you've got an F flag after two bear flags, and this is an Oscarism F flag, but so far you are in a third flag, and it looks like it may want to weight itself down a little bit more on Sunday into Monday. Now, you've got the NASDAQ. Traders, when I started showing you this chart, do you remember we were here and I called this a miserable failure? And then we got to here, and I said, oh my goodness, even worse. Then we got here, and I said, now look, it's below Otapma. Well, look at it now. Boy, have they been killing it, and Omni has just been nailing these trades for us. So down it goes. Will it continue? Well, this looks like it should, but don't forget, we've got the election coming up. Once the election is passed, if you ask me, and we'll speak about this again shortly, all of this goes away, but one day at a time. So here we are, looking at the charts for Sunday, Monday. If you recall, I started showing you this when we got here, after we failed there, and I showed you that Otapma was running right through it, and we got below Otapma, and bam, look at what has happened here. If you ask me, it's just another flag forming. You know, there's something weird going on right here, looking like another flag. Don't forget, though, we do have Brexit, or, if you will, the election coming in 2 days. We have to see where that goes, one day at a time. Then we've got this, although I am calling for more downside Sunday, Monday. Then we've got crude oil, traders. I've been showing you this crude oil chart, ever since we were in the F flag, the day it got F, I told you we were selling it right here. And look at it, actually it was right here, it was on this day, my bad. And since then, look at what has happened. And then I showed you when it got below the 200, and look at it now. I mean, wow, has crude really gotten hit. And if you recall, when we were up here, I went like this in my video and said the next move will be below here. Does anybody remember me doing that 6 days ago? Look where we are now. Totally amazing technical analysis. And again, when the Omni has been getting filled, it's been catching these moves very nicely for my Omniacs. And then we've got gold. Once again, I'm getting letters from traders when it comes to gold. Gold just creates real gold bugs. It creates nuts out there. But I'm getting letters that, oh, Oscar, you're terrible at gold analysis. But I got to say, kids, come on down to my site because I've got Omniacs jumping and hollering and cheering at the Omni trades in gold lately. So whatever you guys think when you're watching the videos, just pay attention once again and let me show you what happened here. If you remember, we had a bear flag, and inside the bear flag, we sold it every time it got up there, and we did well and sold it again, and it did well and sold it again. Then it got to here, and I said, everybody, no more selling, and it went up for one day, and since then we have been a buyer. I don't know what else I could do to keep you guys in tune with the gold. We negated the flag, decided to acknowledge the 200 bar hold, and Omni has gone bullish in gold since here. If you can do better than that, or if you expect me to do better than that, you got to check with the dude that sits at the right hand of the Father, because I don't think anyone else can do any better right there. Traders, come on down to livewithoscar.com and hang out with me in my chat room. I will see you there. So, traders, you've seen the chart. You've got my technical argument for what should happen Sunday through Monday. Traders, if you'd like to learn from me in person, I've got 2 seats left open at my Omni Camp. Omni Camp is a 4-day session held live here in Vegas where I personally will teach you the art of calling Oscar's market navigational indicator for yourselves. It is possible. I can absolutely teach this to you. 2 seats left open, Jan 26th through the 31st. Feb 9th through the 14th. It's actually only 1 camp. I'm still speaking to some campers to see which is the best date. It looks to me like it's likely going to be Feb, but it's still up in the air. If you would like one of those 2 seats, come on down to livewithoscar.com. Click the Omni Camp banner, fill out a small application, and I will call you personally. So, traders, on the board. Election equals Brexit. So far, this looks to me like what happened before Brexit. Remember all the crazy talk? Oh no, Brexit, oh my God! The market went down, Brexit happened, and right back up, right? Here we are. We've got an election coming, and suddenly 9 down days in a row, and likely 10 when we open on Sunday. I say this is a washout. The election happens, right back up. I don't care if the beast wins. I don't care if the other person wins. I think the market will head right back up. Now, you know how this works. 1 day at a time, stops are in, head down, nose to the grindstone, and it does not matter what I think. My brain means nothing. Whatever comes off the charts is what I will call. However, this sure does remind me of Brexit. Be prepared for some type of action to take place after the election on Tuesday. Traders, I'm heading to New York City. I'll see you from my New York City digs. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to stand in front of the camera or do the desktop shoots for you where I just show you my charts. But, of course, the room will run, the trades will come out, and I will do my videos. Only difference is I'll be in New York City while I'm doing them. So I will see you from there. I'm going to see Dad. Maybe I'll bring him back to Vegas with me. Hey, Dad, come to see you, man. I'll see you in about a day and a half. You better be ready. The action's going to begin, Pop. You know me. All right. Traders, I'll see you at livewithoscar.com. Remember, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do, in my opinion, is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll. I'll see you at livewithoscar.com. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.